And next customer, our next factory tour is with Shenzhen Omni Intelligent Technology Company. Hi.
Hi, Jen. Hi, this is Michelle.
How are you? I'm Jen.
Yeah.
May I have your name, please?
I'm Michelle.
Michelle. Wow.
Yes.
Thank you, Michelle. Welcome to our factory tour today. Wow,
Yes.
pretty lady. Thank you. Michelle, would you like to give us a full introduction of your company? I see from your background, it's a technology.
Yes. Yeah, because we are an IoT company. So for introduce our company, we will show you a PPT, which is more clear for you.
Okay. Yeah.
And our company name is Shenzhen Omni Intelligent Corporation, and we are an IoT company. So we are focused on IoT technology and design different products based on IoT. Now we have over 2,000 square meters office area and over 3,000 square meters for the production line. And so we have designed for all products. We design the product structure, the housing design, and the software and the app, all designed by Omni, by our own company. So when customer require for special customers OEM service, we can provide the housing design for them, and we can also provide the app and design the UI interface for them. So our biggest advantage is our in our department, R&D department. It has over 40 people. So our products have divided into two main products, and today I will introduce our smart home products, which is also called the 485 Modbus lighting control system. So we will use this to control all lights and curtains and air conditioners for the smart home, and we will need intelligent smart home styles. And here I would like to show some pictures about our company. This is our picture, our reception and our sales department, and also engineer department here. And this is our sales department, the office for over 40 sales for all abroad and the home market. This is our meeting room. So from the design of a meeting room, you can see the high technology, the concept. And this is our factory and the production line. We have SMT production line and the assembly and the QC and the test for in the same industry zone. And this is a brief industrial for this is a brief introduction of our company. Oh,
hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Michelle. Wow, this is a very good introduction. Although from the presentation but we can see through the screen about your factory.
Yes.
Yeah, it's an IoT new technology company. And would you like to show us a little bit more in details? For example, one product, or show you your company with your iPhone or anything?
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
One moment, I will adjust this.
Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, take your time.
And firstly, we will show our hardware for the control system. And this one is our gateway modules. It works with as the main host. So we collect this one and work with other modules to control the whole house lightings. And for this one, we can collect to 8-piece driver module and 8-piece DB module, 8-piece curtain control module, and 32-piece of the switch panel. And later we will show how to control the light by app. And the first one, that means we can use this to control about 64 lights and 32 curtains and about 32 switch panels. This is our gateway and works as the main host in the system. And this one is relay modules. Can you see it clearly?
Yeah.
Relay modules. And our protocol is 485 protocol, and we have this is 8 channels. We can collect to 8 lights and control 8 lights in the lamps. And here is the buttons. When you press the button, you can control the one channels to switch on and switch off the one channels to control the light. So maybe I introduce hardware like this, and maybe you don't know what is this product actually. So maybe I can show you the app control system first.
Great.
And one moment. Here is our app.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, can you see it clearly?
Oh, I see. So you have an app. What's the app name?
Yeah. And here you can see we have some modules in advance.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Yeah, and the gateway and the relay module, and also we have some lights here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure you can see it clearly.
The screen is changing. It's adaptive, but I can see you have some tiles module. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That's
you can
right.
control from your phone. Yeah.
Yes. And here is driver module, and you can see the icon of lamps here.
Mm-hmm.
You can just click here to switch on and off the lights.
Yeah.
One by one. And also you can press here to switch on and off all lights.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's convenient.
Yeah. So by this app, even you have leave your home and work in your office, and you forgot to turn off the lights, you can just sit in the office and open your app and click here to close the lights one by one, or check whether the light is on or off. When the light is on, the icon is yellow color, and the light is off, it will be turned to green. This is relay module used to switch on and off the lights. And here is the DB module, also used to control lights. And you can click on and off to control the lights, and you can also dim the lights here. Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this we have from %0 to %100%, and you can sleep this one to adjust the brightness of the lamp. And here you can set the time when light will dimming and when it turn to normal brightness. And we can just sleep here and to control all the lamps in home. And this is for dimming. And we also have a air conditioner. Yeah, air conditioner. You can see this app interface. You can see the temperature here, and you can also check whether the air conditioner is on or off. In the same way, when you forgot to close your air conditioner, you can turn off the air conditioner in the office where the summer is hot. I just want to, when I come back to home, the home is cool for me. So when you just leave the office and on your way to home, you can open your air conditioner in advance.
In advance, yes.
Yeah. So this, you can also change the temperature by press here to control the temperature. Yeah. And this is to control the air conditioner. And this one is for curtains.
Oh.
Yeah, for curtains and the windows also. I mean, when in Shenzhen we may have some very strange weathers. Sometimes when we go out homes, it's sunny days. When you stay in office, it will have heavy rains. So maybe you have forgot to open or close the windows. So you just sit at office and close your windows and the curtains to control by this one. Oh, sorry. This one. This have stop, on, and off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you can easily to control all things in a home by the app. This is also to control the lights. And so we have so many modules to generally we will install this system in our electricity layout. So when after install the system, you can use the mobile phone app to control all the lights, air conditioner, curtains, and also other devices in the home. And we also use a switch panel like this. Maybe you have seen many these things in hotel or in the modern homes. So we can use our app to set this price is control which lamp, and also we set the sign mode like sleeping mode, reading mode to switch different modes to check different light effects. And we have this panel is aluminum alloy, and we can change the letters in the buttons and the color buttons, and the button color can also be customized. And now we have two types of switch panel. This one is small buttons, and this one is big buttons.
Oh, all of them are buttons.
Yeah, we have different types for customers to choose. And here we also use the laser printing to print some words or letters, and they will show some light here. And for these products, we have a radar sensor. When you get up at night, and you cannot find this switch panel because it is very dark. So you just wave here, and here we have light. The light will on, and you can see the switch panel and press it to go to the washroom or go to somewhere, and you can just press these buttons. This is all our system. So I can also show a video to you to see the real effect of the control system. Right.
Open the Omni sign in the upper right corner. Select Scan and scan the code. Enter the product ID and configure the network to finish connection. Under Gateway Module Configuration, click Quick Add Device quickly. Select the drive module, enter the relevant parameters, and click Pair and Save. The indicator of the module will flashes. Press the pairing button on the drive module to finish pairing.
As I just showed in the video, we can use
Click the light bulb icon under the drive module to switch on or off the corresponding light. Click the switch icon in the upper right corner. You can turn on or off all the lamps. The name of modules can be modified in the configuration.
And they come with the name.
Click Click the gateway module. Select settings, add device quickly in the upper right corner. Select the dimming module and enter the product ID and channel quantity, and click pairing and save. When the indicator light of the dimming module flashes, press the button on the module to pair. Click the light bulb icon to turn on or off the lamp. Click the dimming module to enter the dimming interface, and drag the slider to adjust the dimming or set the time. Click the gateway module. Select settings, add device quickly in the upper right corner. Select the switch, enter the product ID and channel quantity, and click pairing and save. One switch can be set to control multiple lamps at the same time. Click the switch icon to switch. Click the gateway module. Select settings, add device quickly in the upper right corner. Select the window module, enter the product ID and channel quantity, and click pairing and save. Click on the window module to enter the curtain control interface. Open, close the curtain. Click the gateway module. Select settings in the upper right corner, add device quickly. Select the air conditioning module, enter the product ID, click pairing and save. Press any button on the air conditioner panel to pair. Click the air conditioner module to enter the air conditioner control interface. You can control the air conditioner switch, adjust the temperature and mode. Under the gateway module, select settings in the upper right corner. Click on the associated scene to enter the scene setting interface. You can set normal scenes and periodic scenes according to your needs. After saving, the lamps will change according to the scene mode.
Yeah, and we also have the IR sensor, like this. You can install in the ceiling. So it have about 120 sensor area. It is for the anti-thief. It will detect the people when someone come into this area, and yes, it will send signal to this main host.
Okay.
Main host. And the main host will, according to the setting, it will decide to open the door or open the alarm, and will send messages to you by app or by SMS to tell you that someone has come to your home, and you may notice it. This is our AR sensor. And we have also products for industrial and agriculture. This is our heat and humidity sensor. It is used in the industrial to test the environment humidity and the temperature there. And this we will also expand many types of products based on our IoT technology to fulfill this system. And this system is widely used in some smart schools. Like education lights is very hot recently, and it also need a system to control all the lights in the classroom, in the reading room, and so on. And some people like intelligent lifestyles, and they just install the system in their home. So they just use an app to control all the device, and maybe they can listen to the music, and we will make some voice module, and they just speak to the module, and they will control the light, the music, and the curtains. And also maybe in the future we will make some modules to control the TV. So it also used some in some hotels like this. Maybe you can see many like this one in hotels. You can also install a system, and after install this system, you can use app to enter the door and control all the device in hotel. So it is widely used in many applications in the future. Maybe and more products. Yes, we are also developing different products. Yeah, that's all for products.
Well, thank you, Michelle. It's a very wonderful introduction. Actually, thank you. Because I am using the smart home applications in my home. For example, I have raised up a golden retriever, my pet, my dog, and I have automation, a feeding one. And yes, I also have that on my app, on my phone. So I set up maybe every meal, the dinner meal and the morning meal. I set up the time and the portion, so my dog can eat happily on time. Don't worry that I'm OT today. I'm overtime today, and I won't be rushed home to feed him. I just turn on the app. Yes. That's convenient. Yes. And I really appreciate what your introduction thread. You are giving us a full system. Because the gateway can link onto every application that are installed in the smart home. The curtain, the air conditioner, the lights, even the refrigerator, and your cleaner, the automation cleaner that you don't have to sweep and do the cleaning yourself. And so all those applications can connect to your gateway. And I see your gateway is according to the 485 bus right? The bus protocol.
Modbus.
Yes. And this one is the difference with ZigBee, or because we are doing this export to sell internationally. Yeah. So may I ask, is that adapted to Zigbee or the Google protocol or the internationally protocols? Are they having? Yeah.
It is a little different because Zigbee and Wi-Fi is a different protocol. It is mostly wireless protocol. So we just use it under the Wi-Fi. So when you need to control the device, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi first. And our system is wired. We use the electricity wire to connect the system and to the lamps. So even your light work is not on now, and you can also use your app to control the system. And for this gateway module, we can install the SIM card inside. We use the 4G. Use the 4G internet to control all the other modules and the devices. So even the light work is not so good. Also control it. And for 485 protocol, it can realize more applications and more functions. So this application is mostly like smart, like industrial and agricultural, and for the whole building, the building automation and the home automation. So the application is different.
Yeah, I see. Because they're different from the smart home. Your applications are more likely applied in agriculture and industry and like big factories. So the using wired and this 485 protocol is more adaptable. So yeah, I see the advantage is very good. And would you like to show us? Have you ever sold the products? Who are the main countries you are selling these products to?
Generally, we sell to Europe mostly, and some people from Malaysia and Singapore will also have some customers. And we have sell meaningful projects. We have sell products for them, and they have installed in their buildings. And also they have linked in some smart locks and the face recognition system to fulfill the full office building, the automation system. So its performance is very stable.
Stable one. Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
And have you ever tried to sell them on e-commerce shopping platform like Amazon, eBay, like that?
No, because it is mainly for projects, and for individuals, it is hard to install. It needs to be installed before the electricity layout.
Wow,
when the house is building, you need to install this system in your house. So if after your building is installed and finished the whole electricity layout, it is also okay to install this system, but you cannot use these panels to control. Yeah. So generally, it used for the project.
Yeah, I see. Because during the project and during the installation, the period, the process is prepared, not for those smart homes that you can adjust those furnitures. Thank you.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you, Michelle. Michelle, you have given us a wonderful introduction of your company and your project. I see that you have well prepared, and this session is very good. Well done.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michelle.
Thank you.
And thank you. So see you next time, and hope you have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.